A Batman, baby. Yo, see, na 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 na. I do say, yere yere yere, yere yere yere, yere.
Hi, I'm Liz,
I'm Chris.
and we are
Carnival Cruise Addicts. Today, we're continuing our series of Does Size Matter?
And we're going to talk about the Sunshine Class ships, which were originally
The Destiny class.
Yes, we love our Destiny class. Our first cruise was on the Destiny, so it's near and dear to our heart. It was our honeymoon cruise. It was in 1999, but the actual Destiny was built in 1996.
Much like all these were. The three ships we're going to talk about are the Sunshine, the Sunrise, and the Radius.
Right.
So they're all very, very similar layout, size, weight, gross tonnage, all that kind of stuff. But they were never originally the names. The Destiny is now the Sunshine. That was in 2013. Went to dry dock, changed the name. The Triumph, or the Sunrise, was originally the Triumph, and that was 2019.
After what happened?
The poop incident, which I don't remember what year it is, but they unfortunately had a fire. Thankfully, everybody was okay.
But they were stuck out in the water.
Yep. They had tugboats pushing 2 miles an hour back to Texas. Toilets didn't work. It was a very poopy situation.
Very poopy.
So it was a good idea to rename the ship after that one. I mean, I think that's where the term "oh ship happens" came from.
Yeah.
Quite frankly. And then, of course, you have the Radiance, not to be confused with Radiance of the Seas. But that was the Victory, built in 2000, and then 2021. 2021, again, they dry docked it and just updated everything. It got rid of the old Farkas era Fincantieri builds and made them a little bit more modern as they got closer. So we're going to start with the newer ship because it's got more of the newer restaurants like
Big Chicken.
Ooh,
It's the only of the Sunshine class to have Big Chicken, which is a big hit. They also have Guy's Pig and Anchor, Seafood Shack, and for experience, the Heroes Tribute Lounge is only on that ship as well.
Yep. So the other two have the Skybox Bar, which is on a lot of the other boats. So it's a more sports-themed bar. The Heroes Bar is geared toward our lovely ladies and men that have fought for this country.
Yes.
And thank you.
On the Sunshine class, you will find Gigi's Asian Kitchen, but you will not find it on the other two ships.
Yep. And on all of them, you have Banzai! Banzai Sushi is on all of them. It's a really very inexpensive, very good sushi.
Yeah. And Guy's Pig and Anchor is only on the Sunrise and the Radiance, as well as the Seafood Shack only on Sunshine and Radius. So if that's important to you, do not go on the Sunrise. But the Sunrise does have some unique things where they have the Ocean Plaza, the Library Bar, and they have a Havana experience as well. So if you like the Havana Cabana area, that is only on the Sunshine.
Library Bar is pretty cool because they have a wine fridge in there. You use your card,
You can
get a glass of wine,
drinks,
play your games, enjoy your
Although the
books.
libraries are being phased out, so I wouldn't be surprised.
In lieu of bars, but they already had a library with a bar in it, so what the hell's the difference?
Yeah. Well, anytime I've actually seen that, it's never been functioning.
Right.
So.
Well, do you like it?
Do I like what?
Liking and subscribing.
Oh. If you like this content, you're enjoying our stupidity, please hit that like button and that bell. Thank you.
Yes,
and
please.
subscribe. Yes.
Yep.
But look, all of these ships are very similar. They all have the same staple Carnival foods, Guy's Burger Joint, the Blue Iguana Cantina, the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar, the Red Frog Pub. The Red Frog Pub is on all these ships, as well as the Red Frog Bar, which is, I love the pub.
Yep. So to answer the question of does size matter, in our opinion, these are great mid-sized ships. They're not the monsters where you can't even see the under end of the ship. They're not so small and old that the balcony just fell off because it rotted off. They're right in between. Really cool layouts, in my opinion.
And also, like, these ships, I remember we went on this for one of my milestone birthdays. I won't say which one.
40.
Okay. And we got the Captain Suite.
Which
was above the bridge. It was a very large room with a huge balcony. It actually had multiple rooms.
Yeah, multiple rooms. 2 bathrooms, which is great because when I bombed one, she got to go to the other.
Yes. But they are all on these ships, and it's a little pricey, but it's a great experience. I will probably never pay
It's
that
a
money
once in a
again.
lifetime
Yeah.
thing. You know, we saved our pennies and booked it because, well, 40's coming.
But these ships are great size ships. There's plenty to do, plenty of open areas. They all have like the spa, the waterworks, the sports square, all the different activities, water slides, mini golf.
Water slides, very fun.
Yes,
I love those
we've done
things.
that quite a few times.
Yep.
So it's the typical stuff, but they're great ships, and we encourage you to try them.
Yeah. Any questions? Just give us a call.
Just put a comment below, and we hope you enjoyed this video.
Take care, everybody.